Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I made my moving up / graduation picture. So if you're ready, let's get started. So first you have to go to Google and search for graduation pictorial background. So I just use this one. And then you're going to download the image and proceed to PicsArt. And then you're going to hit this add button in the middle and choose the background that you have. By the way, I also have my makeup tutorial on my graduation picture, so go check that out. I will leave that here or here, I don't know which side. So you're going to click the background and go to draw and then hit this add photo or sticker. So you're going to choose photo and then choose the picture that you took and then crop it however you want, as much as possible, and then hit check and then resize that to your own liking. Make sure to center the image. And then hit this eraser button right here and then resize that to 27 or something and erase the parts that you don't want. You can obviously do this with background eraser, but I find this way easier. And then just resize it to erase the corners and the tricky parts. After that, you're going to hit check and press discard and then go to effects, then go to HDR and then adjust the blur to 47, 48, the unsharp to 20 something, saturation 33, Okay, and then fade. $25, I guess. Fade 28, I guess. So yeah, there we go. And then this is the before, and then this is the after. So we're going to hit check again. Then we're done. That's it. So we're going to save your work. Save picture on your device, and then that's pretty much done. We're pretty much done with that. So yeah, you can go ahead and check that out to your photos. And this is our final result. It's pretty much good. Yeah, I think I'm satisfied with that. So you can go ahead and try that out and tag me with your creation. So I hope you guys find that tutorial helpful, and if you did, go ahead and leave a like and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.